Hey, my name is Gwendolyn Roundtree. Most people call me Shelby, but I go by both. Um, so a little bit about me. I am 23 years old. I'll be 24 on June 18th. I'm currently an athletic trainer. I graduated from the University of North Florida in 2017. So I've been an athletic trainer for about 3 years now. I work in outpatient physical therapy, and I also do some medical coverage for sporting events as well, including junior high, high school, club sports, and I've done some college and um, semi-pro sports. So yeah, so that's really fun. I really enjoy my job, but I am applying to PA school because I really would love to be a physician assistant, and my goal is currently to work in orthopedic surgery. I really love being on the other side, getting to see my patients and everything, but I really have a fascination with cutting on people. I took a gross anatomy class in college and I absolutely loved it. I thought it was so awesome. I just loved everything about it. So those are my goals. My goals to become a orthopedic PA. I think with my background, it would be really nice too to have that background and then be able to step into that. So, but that is why I'm taking this biochemistry course, because it is a prerequisite for the schools that I am applying to. I have already submitted my application, so I'm just patiently waiting and going to send my updated transcripts later. So I'm just waiting for that interview. Another fun thing about me is that I am married. I got married about a year and a half ago, and we live in the Orange Park area. I have several friends from Jax Beach, and they always make fun of me because I live in a small town outside of Jax Beach, but I live on the river, and I love it, and I think it's awesome, but it's really mainly full of elderly people. But anyways, so I absolutely love it. And then another fun thing about me is I recently had elbow surgery, so that's also given me kind of a passion for orthopedic surgery. So in February, I dislocated my elbow while I was snowboarding, and I had an ORIF. It is basically where I have a screw about this long in my elbow. It's very large, and this is my scar that I have from it. So it's really cute. And so during the day, I do people's physical therapy, and then after work, I stay an hour later and I do my own physical therapy. So that's quite interesting, quite fun right now. That's kind of where I'm at. And I'm looking forward to hearing from all of you and looking forward to this next 8 weeks learning more about biochem.